Africa will write its own history, and in both North and South it will be a history of glory and dignity. To that place, all the ivory is brought. I set up here this throne and consecrated it to Ares.
Book of the Himyarites. In the 6th century CE, a Syrian priest, likely, wrote an account of the persecution of Christians in the kingdom of Himyar, in present-day Yemen, which was a Jewish state at that time. This appeal went out to other kingdoms in the region, many of which had since converted to Christianity. Aksum responded, invading Himyar in 518 and absorbing the lower part of Arabia into its empire. This move solidified an Aksumite-Byzantine alliance that sought to outmaneuver the growing Sassanid Persian power in the region. It was a short-lived victory as the province, separated from the rest of Aksum by the Red Sea, revolted in 535, leading to an independent Christian Himyar. Monumentum Atulatanum. The city of Atulis once rested on the Red Sea coast, in what is now the nation of Eritrea. When Atulis was absorbed into Aksum, it became a vital port city for trade across the sea. Pliny the Elder claims it was the place where the troglodyte, or the cave dwellers, sold their ivory, hides, and enslaved people to powers in Arabia, India, and the Mediterranean. It was also the place from where Aksumite warships left to conquer Himyar, or Yemen. The monument recorded there, the Monumentum Atulatanum, reads in Ge'ez and Greek as a list of people conquered by an unknown king, the Gaze, Agame, Sign, the Aua and Kala and Samin, the people of the Nile, and the people of lands where the snow is so deep that a man sinks up to the knees. Periplus of the Erythraean Sea. A periplus is a logbook of places and ports and peoples. The Erythraean Sea refers to the seas east of Africa. Accordingly, the periplus of the Erythraean Sea is an account by a 1st century Greek-speaking Roman subject living in Egypt who described Aksum, Himyar, Yemen, India, and other ports and places of interest. They provided a guide to merchants, frankincense from the Indian Ocean coast of Arabia, ivory from Aksum, cloth, and wheat from India, etc. This is not merely a gazetteer for the curious, but a guide for potential merchants. In a world without stock exchanges, understanding production chains and trade routes was vital. For us, the periplus remains a testimony to the rich web of interconnection, describing trade between Aksum and the Chola, the remains of the Greek Indian kingdoms, remnants of Alexander's conquests, and areas as far east as China.